Hey guys, welcome back to Livexo. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a candle that smells like coffee. So the supplies that you will need is some candle wax. This is just granulated wax. I'm going to do it like this, but you can melt it first if you want. But I'm just going to have this where it melts as the candle burns. Makes any sense? You'll also need just some coffee beans. And some ground coffee. You'll need a jar or something that you want to make your candle in. You also want a wick and scissors. You'll also need a lighter to light the candle or a match. And make sure before you light the candle, make sure you have a parent's permission and have a parent help you light it so you do not burn down the house. And remember to blow it out, and always blow it out before you leave the house and after a few hours. So let's just get making the candle. So first things first, you're gonna want to take some candle wax. I'm using just this blue candle wax, and you're just gonna add in a little bit just to create a thin layer on the bottom, like so. Next, you're just gonna add a layer of coffee beans. Then you're going to add in another color. Now I'm doing green. You can obviously use the same color. And just make sure all the coffee beans are covered. Now you're going to add in just some grounded coffee. And just add a light layer. Now you're going to add just a layer of the wax. Now coffee beans, wax, coffee grounds, wax, coffee beans, the wax, the coffee grounds, and then wax. Then you're going to take your wicks and cut it to the right length, a little taller than you would think. Like this. Then you're just going to put the wick in towards the center. And guys, you should have put this in before you added the wax and coffee, but I forgot. So, you know, this was going to have to work. Okay, then you're going to add just a coffee bean on top, just to kind of make it a little prettier, I guess. The wick, so it's pretty short at the top, slow. And then light the candle. Hold on. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys think this is cool and cute. And and bye. Livexo out.